Good morning. To get your computers ready for the statewide readiness test on Wednesday, February the 7th, you need to have the students do a few steps. The first of those being closing out of Chrome and all programs that are open. Secondly, you'll need to come down to the right-hand corner and open that and click Sign Out. Once you have signed out, you will come back to a screen with your username. Come down to the left-hand corner and click on Shut Down. Wait for the device to shut down and then close the lid. Wait a few seconds and open the lid back up to power it on. Once it is back to a login screen, go ahead and log in. Those steps can be repeated a couple of times before Wednesday. Once you have done it at least once, you will want to check your version of Chrome. To do that, you click on the three little dots up in the right-hand corner. Come down to Settings, Help, and then About Chrome OS. When you open that, you are looking to make sure that it says version 63. If it does not, then you will need to definitely repeat the steps that we just did. If it does, you may close out of that window. The next thing you'll want to do is check your wireless settings. So down in the very right-hand corner, the little icon that looks like a cyclone. Open that up, and you are looking to make sure that you are connected to, if you're at Forest Park, SED/CSC. If you are at an elementary building, you will want the one that corresponds to your building, such as FES Wireless, CCI Wireless, or PRE Wireless. Once you have verified that you are connected to the proper wireless network, you can close out of that. Now we want to actually put it into what we call kiosk mode so that we can prepare for the test. To do so, you'll want to close out and again come down and sign out. So you're going to sign out. Okay. Once you have done that, you should see three little buttons down here. You will click on the apps and you will see a list of three choices. You are going to choose Test Nav. The Test Nav testing window will launch. And as long as you've gotten to this point, you should be ready for Wednesday. But we do have another step we can do to make sure that things are good to go. So up in the right-hand corner where the little person icon is, you can click on the down arrow and that will bring up a menu. You will want to click on App Check. Once you've opened that, you can hit Run App Check. And what this does is checks to see if everything is ready to go for testing. Once you have found that it is ready to go, you can click Back to sign in. And at this point, what happens is you are locked into the testing browser. So the thing that you'll want to do at this point is just hold the power button on your computer or your Chromebook in until it shuts off. And those are usually located over here on the side. And then you will press that power button one more time and your Chromebook will start up in normal mode again. And you may log back in for normal activity. It will not hurt you to do those steps several times before Wednesday so that your students get used to it. Thank you and happy testing.